Hello, thank you for joining me for another edition of Mic'd Up with Mike. Let's see what we've got on the table today. On today's Mic'd Up with Mike, we have a special guest, Ibrahim Shahade, TOA Canada's Product Development Manager, and the brains behind many of the new products released in Canada. Ibrahim and I will examine the new M-8080D Digital Matrix Mixer system. Ibrahim, what can our integrators and end users expect with our new DSP?
M-8080D series is a digital matrix mixer unit with 8 analog inputs and 8 analog outputs, and an additional 4 digital inputs and 4 digital outputs via a digital port called RT port, which is actually based on RS-485 for panel control and AES-3 for digital audio transport. The M-8080D series is dedicated to music distribution, paging, discussion, and zone management solutions for commercial audio applications. Paging is a big feature of the system, so with the availability of a paging microphone, there will be a go-to solution in any project where paging is required. As for the discussion feature, you can add up to 8 microphones or up to 10 microphones with the use of digital I/O controllers. This feature is very handy in conference projects or multipurpose halls or even houses of worship. Last but not least, the zone management. Thanks for the 12 inputs and outputs, you can easily route one or multiple inputs to one or multiple outputs, which can be done either via the easy-to-use software or via the remote controllers. The M-8080D is supported by remote controllers, remote audio I/O controllers, and remote paging microphone. The difference between remote controllers and remote audio I/O controllers is that remote controllers are to adjust volume, while the remote audio I/O controllers are more to connect an analog source, like auxiliary or microphone, to the system digitally. The system offers software-driven, state-of-the-art signal processing in a cost-effective package.
That's some great information, and this sounds like a really exciting system. Tell us about some key features and why they will be beneficial to the overall performance of an audio system in a facility.
The system provides up to 12 audio inputs and outputs. It's a 12 by 12 matrix, which is actually 8 analog inputs, 8 analog outputs, plus 4 digital inputs and 4 digital outputs. The M-8080 offers extensive DSP functions including 5-band input EQ and 8-band output EQ, delay function up to 1.36 second, feedback suppressor, ducking on each output. In addition, the system offers an Ethernet interface, 2 relay outputs and 2 control inputs, plus a PC software for in-depth control.
More great info. What type of buildings or businesses do you think could benefit from this DSP?
The system is developed and tailored for commercial audio applications, where music distribution, paging, discussion, and zone management are required. Therefore, all types of commercial facilities can use this advanced DSP, such as arenas and sport complexes, malls, hotels, multipurpose halls, gyms, restaurants and bars, retail stores, houses of worship, and schools.
Wow, that is a lot of applications. Thanks again for bringing your knowledge and sharing this information with us. Do you think you could stick around for another segment?
Of course.
Click the link below to see part 2 of our conversation, where we review other system devices that connect to the M-8080D system. Now that you've seen an overview of TOA's high-performance audio products, don't forget to follow us on social media and share this video on your social media as well.